Hi everyone! It's a great day here. My name is Maria Casana Tinoche. I am 20 years of age, currently residing in General Trias, Cavite, and I am taking Bachelor of Arts in Major Journalism and third-year college student in Cavite State University Main Campus in Davao. So, it's been a week nung natanggap ako dito, or nung nag-start ako dito sa Creative Voice as an intern. So, maybe I can describe my experience in one word, magaan. Sobrang gaan. Kahit sobrang daming opportunities na nilatag sa'yo ng Creative Voices, with the help of our coordinator and supervisor, napapagaan yung trabaho namin. Hindi mo feel yung pressure, hindi mo ma-feel yung pagod, ma-enjoy mo lang talaga yung ginagawa mo. And one thing what I love here in Creative Voices is they are allowing you to spread your wings, to spread your creativity sa ginagawa mo or sa task na binibigay nila sa'yo. What I have learned so far sa 1 week ko here sa Creative Voices is to learn how to manage your skill. For you as an intern or as a student, kailangan mo talagang matutunan kung paano mag-manage ng time mo para magampanan mo lahat ng opportunities na ibibigay sa'yo ng Creative Voices. So, ayun na nga. So, ang mga message ko sa lahat ng mga interns na naghahanap dyan ng papasukan, kung kayo ay very open sa challenge, very open sa opportunities, and kung gusto nyo talagang mag-work outside of the box, or gusto nyo talagang magtrabaho ng hindi yung usual na tinatrabaho nyo as a college student, why not itry nyo dito sa Creative Voices? Very magaan, a lot of opportunities will open to you, and hindi mo mararamdaman yung pressure. So, join na! Message us! Once again, my name is Maria Casana Tinoche, and I am proud to say I am a certified CV intern.